So as we await the release of the Oukitel WP200 PRO, in this video I'll be comparing the specs of the WP200 PRO. The specs may not be entirely correct, make sure to have that in mind. I'll be comparing it with the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. Anyway, without further ado, let's quickly compare the specs of both 5G rugged beasts. So there we go guys, the Oukitel WP200 PRO versus the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. Which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.